Kevin Johnson. I lost my job in 1995 with Smuckers, and I saw a classified ad in the Dispatch for business opportunities. And I pursued it, and that was Music Go Round. Thrift stores were pretty strong, so I knew that the secondhand concept wasn't completely foreign to people here. And then I secret shopped the city, and most of the stores that aren't open anymore were not very nice to people. My whole belief was if I was just nice to people, I could make a living, and if the used thing takes off, I can probably make a pretty good living and stick around.
Second time I walked in, the guy that worked here remembered my name. And I'm like, really? So I came in and Kevin says, well, we need someone who will show up. And I've been showing up, well, for the last 19 years.
Seeing the smile on someone's face that's just getting introduced to music, whether it's a 5-year-old kid or a 40-year-old adult that always wanted to try it, and their face kind of lights up when they actually play a chord and it sounds almost right, or they get a sound out of clarinet or something. That's the most rewarding thing I have.
He's very laid back. He's not stressing about things, and it's just made it a nice place to work.
Letting people experience the joy of music, and it's not a museum in here. I constantly walk around and plug people into amplifiers so they can hear what they're playing and hand them picks.
We are very hands-on here. That's one of the things I liked about the place from the get-go. Yeah, they want you to play things. They want you to pick up the instruments and have fun with them.
I'm not that creative guy, and I'm not that wild idea guy. I'm just the guy that's working along, and gradually you eat an elephant one bite at a time, and that's kind of how I live my life. So I really appreciate being nominated and getting the award also.